Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will be presenting about SME, small and medium entities. First of all, let me introduce to my fellow group members. The first picture is Latifa, second Maisara, and the third one is me, Nur Afika, and fourth one is Muhammad Amir. In this topic, we will cover a little bit introductions of SME, financing options for SME, which are government grants and bank loans, and also the challenges faced by SME businesses. So what is SME? SME stands for small and medium enterprise, or you can say small and mid-sized entity, same ones. It is a term used to describe businesses that have a certain limit on their revenue, assets, or number of employees. How? There are three categories of SME, which are micro, small, and mediums. So what define this category? They are defined by their number of employees and annual sales turnover, which were set by the SME Corporation Malaysia. For micro businesses, the sales should be less than RM30,000 or total full-time staff should not be more than 5 people. For small businesses in manufacturing, the sale usually RM50,000 until RM15 million, or full-time staff between 5 to 75 people. But when the sale reach up to 15 millions to 50 millions, or total of full-time staff between 75 to 100 people, the business will level up to medium. And in services, the sale typically from RM30,000 until RM3 million, or total of full-time staff between 5 to 30 people. And when the sale hits 3 million and above, or full-time staff between 30 to 70 people, it will change from small to medium. Next is the importance of SME. SME plays a vital role in economic growth. It contributes to Malaysia's GDP around 38%. Second, it promotes entrepreneurship. SME is very open to any Malaysian citizenship. If you have a business idea and you want to open up business, you can just register at SSM and then you're done, you're a business owner. When more people open new businesses, indirectly it will create more job opportunities to those around them. SME also act as a support of large corporations. How? They can be their suppliers or clients or subcontractors. They can also help the large company in sustainability issue. SME also plays a significant role in contributing to international trade and exports by opening up new markets and offering unique products that large companies may not. Last but not least, SME also contribute to economic resilience. They provide jobs to the community, which can minimize the unemployment. Compared to large companies, SMEs are also more diversified. They involve in every kinds of sectors. They tend to adapt to changes quickly and innovate easily. They produce unique product that large companies may not and can penetrate to global markets. This is how they help the economy become more resilient. Next, these are the typical examples of SME businesses. Food truck, childcare, law firm, samanyat factory, and forestry shop. It can be micro, it can be small, and it can be medium enterprises. And it also can be large, but it depends on the size and the sales turnover, as I mentioned earlier. That's all from me. Thank you, and I will proceed to my friend.
Hi, my name is Amir Aziman. Let me explain the source of financing available for SME in Malaysia. The first source is government grant, and the second source is bank financing. I will explain about government grant, and the bank financing will be explained by my friend. Okay. Government grant is a sum of money allocated to the business to support their growth. In the government budget 2024, 100 million has been allocated for digitalization grant up to 5,000, benefiting over 20,000 SME through the Malaysian Digital Economy Corporation, MIDEX. What the example for government grant? Example for government grant is E-Trade 2.0. E-Trade 2.0 offered by Malaysian External Trade Development Corporation (MAF503). This grant focused on enhancing the international trade experience for Malaysian business, particularly in e-commerce like Shopee, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other than lah. What the scheme offer by E-Trade 2.0? The first scheme is onboarding scheme, which is provide up to 5,000 per company. And the second scheme is the digital marketing training scheme, which is offer up to 20,000 per company. This is the requirement for company to apply E-Trade 2.0. You can see at the slide and the additional criteria for onboarding scheme. The company must be 6 months in operation, and additional criteria for DTM scheme. The company must 1 year in operating and in e-commerce already. Okay, that's all.
Hi, my name is Nurul Maisara binti Mizan Sakri. Today, I will be present about bank loans as a financing option for SME. Bank loans are one of the most common and traditional sources of financing for SME in Malaysia. They provide essential funding for various business needs, such as managing working capital, purchasing equipment, or expanding operation. The feasibility of banks' loan depends on three key factors: interest rates, qualification requirement, and accessibility. Interest rates. Interest rate on SME loan typically range from 4% to 8% annually, based on benchmark like the base lending rate set by Bank Negara Malaysia. Government-backed schemes such as those from SME banks and Tekun offer more favorable rates, making it easier for SME to secure financing while managing cash flow effectively. Loan requirement for SME. To qualify for a bank loan, SME must meet eligibility criteria, including being registered in Malaysia and classified as an SME by size and revenue. Banks require detailed documentation such as financial statement and business registration certification. Some loans may also require collateral such as property or business asset. This requirement vary depending on the lender and loan type. And then accessibility of bank loans. While widely available, bank loans can be challenging for some SME to access. A startup and business with limited financial history often face hurdles due to concern about credit worth. Additionally, the application process can be time-consuming. To address this, government initiatives like Prihatin and SME Bank scheme aim to improve accessibility through lower requirement and more streamlined process. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Latifah binti Nawi, and I will present about financial problem or challenges faced by SMEs in Malaysia. Small and medium enterprise SMEs in Malaysia face several challenges that can hinder their growth and development. These challenges include: first, access to finance, which is many SMEs struggle to secure financing from bank or financial institution due to the lack of collateral, limited credit history, and high risk perception by lenders. This makes it difficult for them to invest in
expansion, innovation, or business development. The second is managerial inefficiency. Many SMEs owners and managers lack sufficient financial knowledge, which can lead to poor financial planning, inefficient use of resources, and difficulty managing cash flow, tax, and profitabilities. The third one is lack of skilled labor or human resources problem. There is often a shortage of skilled workers in Malaysia, especially in specialist fields. SMEs may struggle to compete with larger corporations, can offer better salaries and career growth opportunities, making it hard for SMEs to attract and retain talents. The fourth one is market competition. The increasing competition from both local and international businesses can be daunting for SMEs, especially those in crowded markets. Larger companies with economies of scale can often offer lower prices or better quality, making it hard for SMEs to differentiate themselves and maintain profitabilities. And the last one is information technologies. Many SMEs are slow to adopt new technologies or digital solutions due to the cost involved or a lack of knowledge about the benefit of digital transformation. This can result in inefficiencies, outdated processes, and inability to compete in the digital economy. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.